Hey guys, before this video begins, I just want to say that we're gonna have merchandise coming soon. So as some of you guys know, I do have a side hustle of photography and videography, and I call that side hustle Dream Media. So I'm gonna use Dream Media as my merchandise for both YouTube and Facebook, and maybe in the future I might have a merchandise for YouTube by itself, but as of now I think I want to combine both my side hustle and my YouTube merchandise together. So I'm gonna keep you guys updated with that and make a further video. Hopefully we'll have a wave 1 drop, which probably consists of a t-shirt, decals, and a jet tag hopefully. So that's probably my idea for wave 1 drop. I'll keep you guys updated on all of that. Also, I didn't forget about the every 100 subscriber giveaway, and I know I'm a little behind and you guys are killing it. I really appreciate you guys, and I have to say I love all of you guys so much. I really appreciate it. But I haven't forgotten yet, so one of you guys, a subscriber, will be getting a free merchandise whenever it comes out as a giveaway winner. So I'm gonna do that for right now. We're at about 400, and who knows who can watch these videos by now. But hopefully we can try for 500. Hopefully by the end of the year we'll even have 1,000. That sounds crazy, but that's my end of the goal. Let's help get there together. We're one big family. Just share these videos, like the videos, tell your friends, families, all those people to subscribe, watch some content, and then hopefully I can post more for you guys. Again, I haven't forgot about you guys, and just wait for future big moves. Again, I love you guys so much. I haven't forgotten about you guys, and just stay updated. I'll keep you guys updated on everything. Again, I love you, and just enjoy the video.